Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin, so open Discord on desktop or mobile and sign in. Once done, make sure your connection is stable. A flaky network can prevent status updates. Now, look at your avatar, bottom left on desktop, top left on mobile. Tap or click it to reveal the quick status menu and account options. You're taking the first actionable step towards silencing interruptions. Don't stop here, proceed to change your status to Do Not Disturb next. You've opened the status menu, now set Do Not Disturb. On desktop, click your avatar then choose Do Not Disturb. Your presence turns red and notifications are blocked. On mobile, tap the avatar, choose Status, then pick Do Not Disturb. If you want a timed break, pick a duration or set a custom status to explain why. Make sure to also check server and channel notification overrides, because those can re-enable pings despite your global DND setting. You're almost done. Verify the red Do Not Disturb icon appears beside your avatar, and if needed, ask a friend to ping you to confirm no alert comes through. Once satisfied, use per server notification settings to permit specific channels or people if you need exceptions. If DND doesn't work, relog to refresh status, update the app to the latest version, or clear the app cache. These fixes resolve most issues. Finally, restart the device if problems persist. That often clears lingering glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.